So this video is going to be a review one. For the first time I'm going to use this product. The product is dry shampoo from the brand EPITIGHT. This is how the bottle looks like. Okay, it's been 2 days I didn't wash my hair. Can you see? This is how my hair looks like, very flat, and I sweat a lot also, so my scalps are very sticky. So we are going to test it out on my scalp and hair. This is how my hair looks right now. First let's see the instruction how to use. Give the bottle a good shake and for the first burst spray it into the air to prevent excess white particles. Okay, first I am shaking well. Wow, it smells great. Second step is section your hair, then spray from 8 to 10 inches away, targeting the roots. Adjust the amount based on how greasy your hair is. Actually my hair is too greasy. My hair is too greasy today because it's been 2 days I didn't wash my hair. So yeah, I separated this part. And the third step is massage the product into the roots for 30 seconds. Then use a brush to eliminate any excess white particles. And the last step is style your hair as desired and release a refreshed, volumized and oil-free look, much like the results of a fresh hair wash. Let's see. Design. Okay. It gives a cooling sensation. And the third step is let's massage for the 30 to 60 seconds. Actually my hair looks bouncy and volumizing. Can you see how bouncy and volumized my hair looks right now? Okay, it leaves a white cast, but don't worry, it's a good starch. It's a starch, natural starch only. It won't damage your hair. That will vanish after a massage. So I'll show you how the white cast looks. Can you see? This is how the white cast looks, but don't worry, it will vanish after a massage. See. Give a good massage for 30 to 60 seconds. I'll recommend you to massage for 60 seconds. Then only it gives a bouncy and volumizing hair, and also it removes all starch. Can you see? It removes all starch. So don't worry about it. It's very safe. It's a natural starch only. You can use it in your daily basis also. So okay, this is the result I have used live. Can you see how bouncy and soft? Okay, when to use this product? From second day after your hair wash. And if you are greasy like me, it's been 2 days I didn't wash my hair, so my hair scalp is little bit greasy, so I used lots of products to get rid of my greasiness. But I love this product because it won't damage your hair. So who can use this product? Anyone can use this product because it has a natural ingredients, and also this is very suitable for treatmented hair like keratin, straightening and botox like that. Any male or female can use. This is very great product because if you are running late, you are urged to go somewhere. Some constructions are going out there, so omit that. If you are urged to going out and you don't have any time to wash your hair, then this is a great product. You can just shake and spray on air, then you can use it on your scalp. That's it. It has a lots of benefits, like it's a time saver and it saves water And also this is great for your hair, because you are not doing a regular hair wash, and because that will damage your hair a lot. This will not damage your hair that much because it has a lots of natural ingredients, lots of natural starches. They have mentioned that this is safe for daily use, made with 100% natural starches. And also it's an instant refresh, oil absorbent, volume and bounce. Actually it works. It gives an instant refresh, cooling, and it also gives volume and bouncy hair. It's a 200 ml of product. It retails for $8.99 and you also got it from discount. Next point is how much product you can use. It depends on your stickiness and greasiness. If you have a lot of greasy, then you can use more product. If you sweat a lot, means you definitely have a lot of greasiness and stickiness, so you can use more product. Final point is this product safe? From my side it's completely safe actually. It doesn't have a lots of harmful chemicals. This brand is concentrated on natural ingredients actually. That is very good for your hair and scalp. So I will definitely recommend this product to add on your vanity. If you are having sudden plan to go out with your friends, girls, or any malls, functions, parties, this is a great product. You just shake and spray on your scalp, hair and massage it for 60 seconds and you are ready to go out. There is no worry about to wash your hair, and also it's a 100% safe product. So yeah guys, this is my try on and review about this product. So I really like this product. So hope you like it. If you are a college going girl or office, then this is a great option for your regular use. So yeah guys, let's meet you on next video. Bye bye.